My sister, you won't believe what happened. What happened? I don't know what Ifunanya told the queen that made her release her boyfriend from the punishment the princess gave him.
Are you serious?
The queen came out and told the boy to go into his room. And it was after Ifunanya went to the queen's chamber that she ran out in anger, according to what I heard.
So Ifunanya is now interfering in the princess' business. It's obvious she wants to go.
I don't know the right she has to discuss the princess with the queen.
You're not even sure what you're saying.
Look, I cannot say what I don't know. I am very sure that was what happened.
Say Funanya. Busybody Funanya.
Only she see fine boy now.
Which fine boy? Which one be fine boy? That gets man. That dirty looking idiot. Fine boy. My sister. If they dash me that boy, I no go take. If they even say I should choose either going to the jail for 10 years or manage the boy for 1 night, my sister, I go prefer to go jail. Poverty no dey my lineage. I know they manage. Manage from which boy? I beg you.
Are you sure?
I know they manage. Oh. As I did like this, I like money. Get man. You need to like this. You too like us in this fight. Fine boy. Safe man. She got me take. Fine nothing. She make it. I'm doing my work.
Did you by any means disobey my orders?
You're welcome, my princess.
You have not answered my question. I gave you a punishment. Who asked you to stand up?
Your mother, the queen, asked me to stand up.
What? My mother, the queen, asked you to stand up?
Yes.
What did you tell her? I'm talking to you.
I told her you gave me a punishment. You asked me to kneel down and remain there until you returned. But she asked me to go to my duty post.
I see. You've really grown some wings. You now go reporting me to my mother, right?
Yeah, I didn't report you.
You!
She came out.
You! Don't worry, let me see my mother. I'll be right back.
For God's sake, mother, this is totally unacceptable. There is no reason on earth to justify your actions, and you know it. I am your mother, and it is my sole responsibility to lead you back to track whenever you are going astray. I am going astray, you said. I am going astray by trying to correct a common palace security. My beloved daughter, you don't just wake up and start punishing people for no just reason. You punish people when they do something wrong. So you are saying right now that he did not do anything wrong and I'm punishing him. So tell me, what did he do? He left his primary post
well attended to, and he deserves a punishment. Serious one like that.
That can only be done when you find out he was doing nothing. But he was doing something you and I know it was part of his job. You don't expect him to divide himself. He can only be found in one place at a time.
Mother, was that why you had to humiliate me before those who should tremble at the sound of my voice?
Oh, come off that, my daughter. Even your father, the king, can never be a traitor and a tyrant of that magnitude. Never!
Fine. I can see you. You are supporting him. Yes, you are supporting him. Okay, that's fine. But I want to tell you something. I would never ever tolerate that in this palace. Either that boy leaves or I leave for him.
Let me tell you one thing, my beloved daughter. He is going nowhere until he does something that warrants his dismissal from this palace. Else, nowhere. Read
Really?
my lips. I said so.
Then watch me leave. Watch me leave.
What nonsense.
What is it?
My princess, I have an important information to give to you.
And I do hope it has to do with the issue on my mind.
Yes, my princess.
Spill it. What?
Yes, my princess.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, my princess. Very sure.
Fine. Leave my side.
Thank you, my princess.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, sit.
Seated.
What's this I hear about your threatening to leave the palace?
It was never a threat but a promise.
Well, why did you go on and make such a hasty promise?
Because my position as the princess of this kingdom, I mean the first daughter of King Dike III of the Ochaziasa kingdom, has been hugely compromised. My respect and dignity has been reduced to nothing. Absolute nothing. My personality now means zero before those commoners in this palace that are meant to be respecting me as their princess, and I vowed never to take that. I was not raised to be disrespected and dishonored. I was raised to be highly esteemed because I am royalty and I know who I am.
My dear, no one is trying to discredit you before the commoners. Least of all, your mother. She's not trying to make you appear lesser before the commoners. No. 1,000 times no.
So, Father, what do you now call these shameful acts?
Directions. The reason an elder is needed around is so that children will not mistake a vulture for a kite, my dear girl. The path you are towing right now is dangerous. That's why your mother has come in to redirect you, to correct you. You are subjecting the commoners, the lesser people, to suffering and hardship. And I tell you, our gods frown madly at it. That's why your mother has come in to redirect you.
Well, Father, it's obvious you've taken sides with Mother. Both of you have concluded that the punishments were unjust, right?
Princess. 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 I have not called you in here to start bandying words about who is right and who is wrong. No. I've given you my peace of mind. So, you may go.
She was never like this. I just wonder what brought about her sudden change of attitude.
Peer influence, I guess.
Why did you tell the queen?
What do you mean, why did I tell the queen?
Yes. What if she misunderstood you? And you can't possibly interfere in anything that concerns the princess. It might turn out dangerous.
You're right. But I couldn't just stand there and do nothing. Just watch you go through pain.
Ify, sometimes I lay down in my room thinking about my life and how I found myself in this palace. It's been hell for me. I think about how everyone hates me. No one likes me. They humiliate me. They treat me so bad. They treat me like a common criminal. Each time I think about my life, I'm always very depressed. But I also think about how you come close to me and tell me the right things I'm supposed to do. And each time you say those words to me, I feel good with myself. I feel very happy. And the truth is, sometimes I have these strong feelings for you. I know I am not supposed to say this because of my status as a common palace gate man. I know I shouldn't say these things to you because I don't have the right to do that. But honestly, even a commoner outside this palace would feel the same way I'm feeling right now.
Obina, I don't discriminate. I value every human being because every life matters. I admire you a lot. Yes. I've always admired you from the very first day you stepped your feet in this palace. But I can't be with you not because you're a gate man, no. It's because that is not why we are here. We can't encourage such feeling because it will only lead to distractions. Distraction that will take our mind out of the main reason we are here, which is work. And also to get paid at the end of the month.
You're right, Ife. And you have great wisdom.
I am flattered.
Don't be. It's the truth. You're very wise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have to go to bed now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Very cheap girl. I wonder what she has been doing with that boy inside his room. That girl. Very no sense. Ụkwụ na-aga warawara, gịnị na-eme ya?
Anya na-ele zamzam n'afọ ya.
Ọ na-aga. Na-aga bụ onwe ya. Cái mơ. Who is that?
It's me.
You, Echezema.
Ifraya,
Yes?
the princess wants to see you now. She demands I come with you immediately.
Is there any problem?
I'm sure you don't expect me to give you an answer to that question.
Okay, but can I at least brush my teeth?
You can as well take your bait. You can't appear before the princess unkempt. I'll be waiting for you.
Princess, here she is.
Greetings, my princess.
My leave.
Thank you, my princess.
You slimy bastard. You went to go lie to my mother. No, you made my mother release someone I gave punishment to. You wanted to bring trouble between my mother and I, right? No, you tell me, are you here on a mission?
No, my princess. No, far from it.
You what? Stop stammering and start talking.
I went to tell the queen when I saw the boy kneeling down for a very long time. I felt bad because he didn't deserve that punishment, my princess.
How dare you? No, how dare you stand before me and tell me that that boy did not deserve that punishment? How dare you? Are you his mother?
My princess, that is not what I mean. That's not what I mean.
Now make it make sense. I heard he's your boyfriend, right?
What? No, nothing like that. So I don't have any sexual attachments with that boy at all. He's only fond of me. He's only fond of me because I'm the only one that goes to console him whenever he's down. I'm the only one that talks to him. That's all.
Did I hear you say the boy is just fond of you?
In a good way. In a very good way, my princess.
He's
Okay. I have just confirmed this. Disappear from my sight now.
Okay.
Leave now!
Okay, sorry.
You don't know the power of love. The girlfriend will now lose her job because of the love she has for her poor boyfriend. And both of them will get married and live together in poverty and humiliation. And every night, they will be drinking gari in the morning, in the night, and in the day. And they will give birth to poverty-stricken children. And every other thing will be what? Povertized. Hey.
Does it mean that the princess will tell his father to sack me from the palace? But what wrong did I commit? Should I have seen Obinna go through such wickedness and do nothing about it? No way. If they sack me for doing what I did, well, there is nothing to regret about it. God will provide a better job for me.
We, the members of your cabinet and the elders, we have used our ancient eyes of designing matter to see that things are not moving the way it should in this royal house. And then we have decided to come to inquire from you. This is riddles. You're speaking in riddles. Igwe, this is 30 years that your wife gave you a son before the coming of your daughter. We only met your son when he was but a baby. All we hear is he lives somewhere under the sun, he lives there. So, we want to know everything about him. Elders, my son is in school. He is studying abroad. However, we have plans to bring him home before long so that he takes a wife.
Igwe, now you are talking. How soon is that you're talking about?
Well, very soon, I must tell you.
Igwe, please, can you give us a specific date?
All right. My son will be home before the end of this month.
Our mind and heart are now at rest.
Yes. I hate you.
What they go?
Honestly speaking, our meeting today was a successful one.
Yes, it is. And you know, our king is not getting any younger.
Yes, you are very correct. These days, people dies anyhow. Both the young and the old.
Iche, none of us could even know who the crown prince is and how it looks like. No.
It is not good to the ear at all.
Okay.
We should know who our next king is. If our king, if anything happens to him, who will succeed him will not be a problem. Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
Not tomorrow now.
someone will just come from nowhere and say, I am the crown prince. Somebody will not even know. Somebody will have not seen anywhere before. I don't know.
Ichie, I'm very happy how things went today. At least 1 month is not too far
Mbano.
for you to know who that crown prince is.
Bam. That is that is well, we will know. We are all going to be alive to see that day.
I cannot.
Obina, I have a feeling that they're going to sack me from this job soon.
If you're scaring me with those words.
Look, I don't want you to be scared. On the contrary, I need you to be strong. Look, Obina, no matter what happens, even if I get to leave this palace, I want you to promise me that you will stay in this job. Promise me that you will never leave here no matter how bad they treat you.
Ify, you're going nowhere.
Bina, I know my instinct. My instinct has never failed me before. Each time I start feeling this way, something happens.
Tell me, how exactly are you feeling?
Okay. The other day, the princess called me out very early in the morning. She scolded and yelled at me badly. I believe Nkiru or Adako must have reported to her that I was the one that told the queen about the punishment she gave you. She threatened my job here. And ever since then, I've been troubled. I've been so troubled in my spirit.
It's okay. Nothing is going to happen. Okay? God is not going to allow anything to happen because of how good you have been to me.
Bina, I want you to know that no matter what happens, I don't regret everything I've done for you. I don't regret it one bit. I did it for humanity. I did it for love.
It's okay. I understand how you feel, but I believe nothing will happen, okay? And I want you to know that I love you.
I love you too.
You do?
My son will be coming back to this palace, to this kingdom in less than a few weeks. That's the good news I want to share with us. What it means is that we all must keep this place neat and tidy. Beyond that, we have to also remember that we have to keep ourselves. Personal hygiene is important now. Keep ourselves clean, both inside and outside. Let the prince come into a palace that is clean, a palace that is orderly, a palace that is friendly and warm. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, you will.
Good. The prince is coming home to pick a wife. For the boys, your cooperation is needed. You know. Yes. Be at your best. And for the girls, be clean and friendly. I want to give you a secret. I want my son to marry from a poor family. It means that even the chef here can be the lucky one, become the princess. Same goes for all of you. All of you. Any one of you could become the future queen of this kingdom. So, your destiny is here with you. Seize it. Yes, but I don't want any bowdlery. I don't want you to start flouting yourselves. No, flout your heart instead of yourselves. Your inner self is what's needed. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, you will. Wait. Do you actually think that the crown prince of this kingdom that has lived all his life abroad will condescend so low as to marry a palace maid? No. I don't believe that. No.
Ada, in my early days as a maiden, one day I was going to inquire something from the queen. And I heard the queen and the king discussing something like that. And I was like, whoa. This royalty is different from other people. How can the king and the queen be wanting something like that for their only son?
I don't know. But if you come to look at it, it's only 3 of us that are presentable here. You, Ifunanya, and myself. The chef is too big to marry the prince. And the other maids are too young.
So who do you think the prince will likely choose when he comes back?
I think Ifunanya stands a better chance. Yes! You know, for she's homely, she's down to earth. I mean, she has better qualities than us.
That one, Ifunanya. I know she will not be in the palace when the prince comes back.
What do you mean?
I know what I told the princess about Ifunanya Adako. And I know the princess will never spare Ifunanya.
How sure are you?
I am very sure. I bet my life to it. I know.
Nkechi,
I know what I am saying, Adako.
Let's wait and see.
Waiting.
I'm on my duty. Don't despise me. I'm doing my job just to earn living. Cause I know the syrup was not pure.
I decided to ignore my call because you were not. Ma? You are a fool. No. So you didn't hear I was calling you?
No, man. Nobody told me.
You are a pathetic liar!
Nobody told me you were...
You were told I was calling you.
That's not true.
You chose to ignore me because of this food.
Man, that's not true, man.
Is this food running away? Or is this food more important than me?
Nobody told me you were calling me. No, man. How can I hear you calling me and I won't come to answer you?
You are still dead.
No.
I look like a joke to you. Now listen to me. Because of this nonsense you just did right now, I am going straight away to instruct the chef not to give you food again in this house. No more food for you in this palace for the next 3 days and 2 nights. And if she just fails my order, I will get her sacked.
But ma, I told you.
I am still talking. You are there chatting nonsense. I look like your sister. No, I look like your family members, and you are mad. Joke to you.
okay. It's okay. Come on, clean up.
Nobody told me she was calling me. Nobody told me she was calling me.
It's okay.
How can I be called by the princess and I won't go to answer her? How?
It's okay. I believe you. But just get up and clean your
Why is she treating me like this? What have I done wrong? What have I done?
It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Eh? It's going to be fine. Trust me. Everything will be fine. Just get up and clean up the place. I'll give you my food later.
God, what have I done? Why are these people treating me like this? What have I done? Huh?
That new boy, the only thing the boy knows is food. Since he came to this palace, is food, food, food. The first time he came into this palace was asking about food. Just food. But I wonder, how will someone hear that the princess is calling him and sits back just because of ordinary food? How? You have seen it now. Because he prefers the food to his job. Give him food and take back the job. That is his problem. Food. It's true. Otherwise, tell me, Adako, what will a young boy be doing as a gatesman? Ordinary gatesman. Eh? What? You should just see the way he has been yawning since morning. You know he hasn't eaten since yesterday. That is why the princess told the chef to deprive him of food for 2 days. Still, the sense he still doesn't have. He's still asking of food. Food! Hey! Common food. Ordinary food. Ordinary food. Hey!
I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. I'm suffering because of mama, my sweet mama, my joy at home. No challenges, no champion, no trials, no testimonies. Just be focused. Don't mind the circumstances. They are to pull you down. Be focused. Don't mind distractions. Lotte fenne waragi. Love everybody. Inugo. Lotte fenne waragi. Love everybody. And when you love, Lotte fenne waragi. Inugo.
Bina, it's me, Ifunaya. Ifunaya.
Hey, Ifunaya. It's late.
I know it's late, okay? I chose to come out as late to bring you food and water. I know you'll be very hungry. Something. Okay?
Thank you so much. What could I have done without you?
It's okay. I don't know why the princess hates you so much. But please, I want you to remain focused in this job. No matter what they do to you, stay focused because I believe that one day you'll get tired. Okay?
It's okay. I was thinking of quitting, but I'll stay back and see to the end.
That's my boy.
Thank you.
Okay, I have to go now.
You have to be very careful.
I will.
Okay?
Don't worry, I will. I promise. My princess,
No, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself.
I
Clap for yourself. Start clapping for yourself. Don't make noise. As you can see, the whole palace is quiet. Everyone is fast asleep. Except a tiny snake like you.
My princess,
Meandering around. Trying to act a good woman, right?
no.
No, you want to be a good woman.
No.
I'll pitch you a good woman. Okay. Quietly. Go to your room.
My princess, no problem at
Leave
all.
my sides. Go to your room.
Thank you, my princess.
Don't
Thank
worry.
you.
By tomorrow morning we shall see. We shall see.
Naga wara. Nele zam na. Every day for the thief, and one day is for the owner.
For the last time, why did you go into that boy's room at that time of the night?
Your Majesty, I swear, I only went into his room to give him food. Because the poor boy has been yawning since yesterday due to starvation. A punishment the princess here gave him.
You even have the audacity to say this rubbish before my presence. How dare you? No, Ifunaya, how dare you interfere in my actions in this palace? Who are you? Who is your father? Does your surname ring a bell? No, does your father's compound lead to anywhere? How dare you, I ask again. Listen, you did this the first time I let it slide. You're repeating it again. You, this girl. You! Father, you can see. You can see. This girl must be punished.
Ifunanya, you had no reason whatsoever to go into that boy's room at that unholy hour.
Your Highness, I only went there to give him food. That is all, just to give him food.
Father, did you hear that? She only went there to give him food, knowing the boy was under my punishment. How dare you! You knew he was serving my punishment. You still went ahead to give him food as his mother or what? I'm asking you!
No excuse is acceptable, and no reason justifiable for a young girl to sneak into a young boy's room in the middle of the night. You are fired. Go to your room, pack your things, and leave this palace immediately.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Leave my presence now.
There are 2 months compensation.
Thank you.
The Igwe ordered you leave the palace immediately.
I'm already leaving.
At once.
Hey, yeah. Everything that has a beginning, Adako.
Has an end, my sister.
Try. I wonder what her stupid boyfriend will do now she has left the palace.
Maybe he will join her.
Try.
You know now, like Romeo and Juliet.
What the Kwama? Hey, if for now. Try.
Are you traveling?
I've been fired.
What? No.
I am leaving the palace now. I wonder what I will tell my mother.
Wait. They sent you away because of what happened last night? I know now. No! I can't believe this. How can they send you away because of me? You know what? I'm quitting this job.
No. I don't regret everything I've done for you. I don't regret it.
But I can't continue doing this job without you, eh? You're one of the reasons why I'm still doing this job. I would have left a long time ago.
Pina, please. Please don't quit this job. If you quit this job, that means all my efforts will be in vain. Pina, promise me you will not quit this job, please.
But if I will not see you again now.
We will see each other. We have the weekends to see each other. Just promise me. Promise me you would stay.
It's not easy like that. It's not easy. I'll just...
Promise me, please.
I promise.
I have to go before they see us and to be more trouble. Obina, I love you.
Huh? Take care. Hi. Oh.
My princess, please, when is the prince coming back home?
Kechi?
My princess.
I know you would love my brother to marry you, right?
Yes, my princess.
My father would actually want him to marry a maiden from this palace.
I'll be very happy if you help me talk to your brother to get married to me.
So, safe to say you're indirectly begging me to speak to my brother to choose you as his wife, right?
Princess, I'll be very indebted to you if this happens.
Okay, you know you're my girl. Don't worry, I'll definitely speak to him about you.
Thank you, my princess.
I just hope he likes you too when he finally gets to meet you.
I'm sure he will like me. My princess, am I not good looking?
Of course you are.
Thank you.
Go to my room and get my laptop. It's on the table, please.